And then there was the whole during lockdown where, in my opinion, because we had no sports betting, so many retail traders came into the crypto space, into the AIM world, so even just generally equity markets, and obviously Forex markets. And I think it was very much driven because there was no sports betting. So there was a bubble of sort of epic proportions. But obviously now we're back to, and there were so many these internet currencies, which, again, I mean, I'm sorry if anybody lost their money, but it's like, why would you even look at this stuff? What does it mean? What is it? How are you going to use it? What's it worth? It's worth literally what somebody will pay for it. So I just didn't feel comfortable with it. And to be honest with you, if I don't feel comfortable with it, then why would I get involved with it?
Yeah.
Because if you do any just a simple basis about trading, if you've got no conviction, you'll get shaken out the tree so easily. So you've got to have the idea with the conviction, and then you can take some risk.